Have you ever wanted to make your WordPress site look more dynamic by adding text directly over an image? It's easier than you think. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want to add your image. Click on the plus icon to add a new block and choose the cover block. The cover block is specifically designed for this purpose. It allows you to place text right on top of your images, giving your site a professional, eye-catching look. Next, upload your image or select one from your media library. Once your image is in place, you'll notice a text area that says Write Title or Add Text Here. Simply click there and start typing the text you want over your image. You can adjust the alignment, font size, and style using the block settings on the right-hand panel. If you want to make your text stand out even more, try changing the overlay color or adjusting the opacity. This creates a contrast between your text and the image, making it easier for visitors to read. You can also add buttons, headings, or other elements within the cover block to make it more interactive. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit Publish or Update, and your text will now appear neatly over your image. Using the cover block is a simple yet powerful way to make your pages more engaging without needing any extra plugins or coding skills. Adding text over images can really elevate the design of your site, and now you know exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Give it a try and see how much more professional your WordPress pages can look.